Hello chemistry students, I'm going to go over the weekly overview for week number 7, March 1st to March 5. As you know, spring break is approaching, but so is the end of quarter 3, and so is the end of our project, Our Changing Oceans. So next week, the week of March 1st, we are going to continue working on checkpoint 6. And we started working on checkpoint 6 PhET activity. I will give you additional time here. You have until Tuesday, the end of the day, the school day, to turn it in on time. If you are done with it already, then you can look ahead and start working on the second part of checkpoint 6, where you will practice writing a claim evidence analysis paragraph. And you will do that for 4 different scenarios. I provide class slides that go over the expectations and also give you an example of a paragraph and a scenario. So at the end of the week, I put a deadline here for checkpoint 1 since we are approaching the end of the project. And checkpoint 1 was a homework style checkpoint that had to be done sequentially throughout the project. I recommend you turn it in by March 5, Friday, so you don't fall behind and don't have an overload of work last minute. SDL, again, review your checkpoints, make revisions if necessary, understand how dimensional analysis works, because that's what you're going to be evaluated on during the performance task, and that's coming up in about 2 weeks. So please make revisions if you did not get the maximum points on your checkpoints. That means you had some missing aspects. Also catch up on focus areas if necessary, or look ahead with focus areas. I will talk to you soon.